Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you turn your DND mode or do not disturb mode on or off. So at first, from the right side of your top of the screen, just scroll a bit and here you can see do not disturb mode. Just press it down and click on do not disturb mode. By this you can just turn on or off your do not disturb mode. You can also turn on or off do not disturb mode from your phone settings. Now just click on focus and here you can see the first one, do not disturb mode on. Just go there and you can just turn it off from here. So guys, that's how you can turn do not disturb mode or DND mode on or off. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.